Hey everybody, I'm back. Episode 2 of the coil spring compressor tool prototype. We already have it installed in episode 1. Got it in here ready to go. As you can see, we got the nut right up against the plate there. You want to have that plate, the top plate, the corners up inside the coil spring there. You can see where this will push right up in there once we get some tension on it. Want to have a little bit of thread sticking out the bottom. That way it's in there good and solid. A little focus there. It's ready to go. I think it's gonna go all right. We got the tie rod end off. We got the cotter pins out of the castle nuts. So hopefully, once we start cranking down on this bad boy, it'll squash that coil spring up in there and take care of the old death Slinky. We'll knock out the ball joints and get them control arms out. We're just gonna see how it goes. Got plenty of lubrication going on in there. You know how that works. Got a couple of washers in there to hopefully make that thing slide a little bit better. Got a long ways to go. Mike says it'll only take a few minutes. I don't have a ratchet wrench, so I gotta do it the hard way as usual. That's what I do. But we'll be back. I'm gonna get you a different camera angle and I'm gonna start cranking down on this thing. Alright, I spared you a little bit of the boring stuff. Just getting ready, a little bit more prepped up. I got in here and I busted my ball joint nuts loose, leaving them castle nuts on just about flush right there, but giving them a good amount of space. Just like that. Obviously my jack's still underneath here at the moment. And then after I get my coil spring compressed up, I'm gonna show you a little ball peen hammer trick about knocking them ball joints loose. And see, we got that ready. I think we're about good to go. I probably should take that brake line off, you know, and be careful with it, but I'll probably just end up letting it hang there. We'll see. Y'all don't mind all that rust. It's she's mint, don't worry. But we got those ready. Ball joints are definitely due to be changed. I think the uppers have been done before. Yeah, got the bolts in them. Lower, don't think that one's been touched in a minute. That's all right. Got me a full little kit off of eBay here. All kinds of nice sparkly little parts in there. Should get the job done. All right, we'll be back in just a minute. All right, I'm back. Got my 1.25 inch. Got everything locked in place. I'm gonna go ahead and start going to town on this. It's gonna take a while. I don't have a ratchet wrench. I seen an old Mike's pictures. He had a ratchet wrench on. Said it'd take 6 minutes. I believe it. This thing in here is gonna just go right after it. I'm hearing stuff. Y'all keep an eye on it for me. I can't see anything. I feel like I should have my steel toes on. Alright, this is gonna need something to hold that shaft in here. Easy so far, but I'm sure we don't have much retention on it. How's it looking? Doing anything? Y'all tell me if you see it moving. I feel like we should let the jack down now. We got it up as far as we could. How about we just go until we don't feel it on the jack anymore? Then we know we're doing something. a little while, big wrench. But it's moving along. I'll probably get some more handy dandy lube on it. I'm using the high dollar stuff, you know, garage door lube. Shameless promotion. That's not my place, that's who I work for. Great company. 5-star on Google. Check us out. Alright, more in there. Looking good down here. Oh yeah. This coal's definitely pulling up out of the bucket. Nice. Looks like we got plenty of clearance. Getting some squishy on. Nice. About this. I'll start pulling full swing all the way around. Oh yeah, so I can go over here and chip my paint. Let's not do that. Stay here. Don't go all the way around. Get close to your fender. Don't want to mess up this beautiful paint. It's actually a pretty color, but she needs some work. Oh yeah. Moving along nice and easy. I'm liking it. Wow, yeah, it's moving real good. Let's keep on, keep it on. Not really. Let's see. She's got a good squish in her. Let's go ahead and get down a little bit. Oh man. What an ugly spring. Down. I'm gonna keep the jack on there. I don't know why, but just keeping it there for now. Wow, you're getting in there though. Another inch or two, I think we got it. Really, it's not taking long at all. Stuff. Oh, scary, scary. Why am I so afraid? I hate these things. Are we off of it? We are close. We're so close. All right. Crusty, rusty stuff. It doesn't really feel like I'm stressing on it either. I mean, it's turning really easy. I gotta give it a little effort, but it's not like I'm forcing it, you know? It doesn't feel like it's binding up or anything. Wow. So close. I can tell you I'm a little bit scared of knocking some of this stuff loose with the hammer once I get this thing torqued up in there, but we gotta do what we gotta do. it doing over there, guys? You aren't telling me much. I hear rusty stuff. And springy rusty stuff. Oh man. We're so... all of that. I'd say we're clear to the control arm just enough. I'm gonna start squish it down a little more. Second in there, nice. Yeah, it is. Clear of the control arm. And squash it up nice, Mike. I like it. Gonna find me some tools, start busting this control arm loose. I think I'm gonna stop this one here. And we'll come back once I get this hardware and this control arm broke loose. Spare you all that boring stuff.